50. Hey Charles, how's it going?
Good, buddy.
Just having some lunch?
Yeah, enjoying the views, having some lunch. Oh, this didn't happen again, did it? Come on.
Yeah, like that.
Let's just go with some hot dogs or something, man. Good day, beautiful people. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm pretty blessed and I get to work all over Northern Canada throughout the different territories. And one thing I always get asked is, why do people live there? Isn't it cold? Is it isolated? What's it really like up there? So I thought what I would do is go talk to a local and give you guys some real insight. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Roberta. I am a Telekwichun First Nations member and I am from Fort McPherson, Northwest Territories, and this is home. I was raised in Fort McPherson and spent most of my childhood growing up 75 miles up the Peel River at a place called Trail River, which is located in the Yukon. My parents thought it was important to live out on the land, as this is where you get the best life lessons. We leave town on skidoos. It would take us 6 to 7 hours to get there, and when it's time to come back to town, we would do so in a boat. This is where we lived off the land for months at a time. To me, these were the best days of my life. The population in Fort McPherson is roughly 800 people, where most of the people are Gwich'in. We hunt, fish, and trap. One of the most important food to us, Gwich'in, are the porcupine caribou. People say, and I agree, that the caribou is our way of life. We use every part of the animal. Not only do we eat it, we make traditional clothing such as maklaks from it. One of the items we also make is the caribou head soup. We skin the meat off the head and boil it. You can add items like soup mix, macaroni, and rice to it. It's very delicious. We are a very close-knit community and enjoy frequent gatherings. In the spring, when the sun comes back, we celebrate by having a spring carnival called the Peel River Jamboree. We have skidoo races, snowshoe races, dances, and we feast. In the summer, our community is known for the Midway Lake Music Festival, which is held about 50 miles down the Dempster Highway toward the Yukon border. People from all over the NWT, Yukon, and even Alaska gather where we dance, feast, and enjoy each other's company. At the beginning, people used to have tents, but today everyone has cabins in the area. So could you imagine camping and waking up to music while visiting with friends and family? People down south think that we live in igloos, but contrary to popular belief, we actually live in heated homes, drive vehicles, and skidoos.
Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks to Roberta for filling us in and teaching us a little bit about the North. For more adventures, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.